Of the house under construction. Here's entry into my front door. Walking into my dining room. Take a look back through my kitchen area. Cabinets are going to be on the right along both walls. Island in the center. Sliding glass door looks out our backyard to our back deck. Laundry room, pantry unit area in the kitchen, back through the kitchen dining room. We're gonna make a left. This is our breezeway that goes to the garage, and also to the left, this area we made for our dogs, the dog yard area. Quick look in the garage. Two nice 9-foot double doors, oversized garage. Back through the dining room. Look at our living room. Look up of our stairs. Go back the hallway on the first floor. On the right, there is a half bath. On the left, underneath the stairs, my utility area. This is my pool table area, exercise equipment. This is Barb's den area. Hall closet, then master bedroom. Master bath, closet, and then walk-in shower. That ends the first floor